Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make Amla candy. Boil some water in a pan. When it starts boiling, add 1 kg of gooseberries. Place the lid and cook it over medium flame. After 3 minutes, turn off the flame. Drain the water and allow it to cool. Remove the seeds and keep the gooseberry pieces in a bowl. Now add 700 grams of sugar. Cover it with the lid and keep it aside for 3 days. Now drain the sugar syrup. Dry the amla pieces in sunlight for 2 days. Once it is properly dried, it will be soft and it will not be sticky. Now add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and mix well. Amla candy is ready. Store it in an airtight container. Please try it out and post your feedback.